Hey guys, it's one of the Definite Divas from Definite Divas 119, and this is just a little video saying about the summer. Definite Divas is having a summer collection. We said that in one of the videos where it was the watermelon, we should have said it was really called that, but it is. So yeah, and we're just so excited for this. Except we will not, it's like, I don't know what I'm saying, I'm sorry. So, like, we will be selling them, but not over YouTube, but because, just for reasons. But what's really cool is that me and my partner are going to be making videos together, live, in person, instead of me or her over Skype, which is so awesome. It's gonna be very, very cool, and the video is not gonna be all messed up like this video. Cause this is just awful. All this, you don't even have to see anything. You can see white, or whatever color it is, yeah. So, yeah. And also, I just want to say one thing. Please, 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 please comment, rate, subscribe, like, and thumbs up all of our videos, us and our channel. And we will maybe even subscribe to your channel. Ooh. And I don't know if hopefully someone will be having a contest or not, but yeah. Well, that's it for Definite Divas 119. Thank you, goodbye. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and thumbs up all of our videos. And that's it for this video. Thanks, bye.